Managing hundreds or even thousands of assets across a multitude of displays can be a daunting task. That's why the PiVision homepage helps you organize, search, and tag your displays for easier access and retrieval. In this video, I'll show you how to use the PiVision homepage to find your displays and organize them into folders. Let's do it.
If I look over here, I can see that I'm logged in as user student01. It is important to check this because different users will have access to different displays in PiVision. I can see all sorts of displays that I have access to listed as thumbnails, and it looks like there are quite a few displays. You can scroll down to see the displays further down the page. To look at a particular display, I just click on the thumbnail. If I want to return to the PiVision homepage, I can simply click up here to go back. It's really useful how the thumbnail gave me an idea of what the display would look like. If there is a large number of displays available, I'll want to leverage some of the search or display groups to easily locate what I'm looking for. Right now, by default, all displays are selected, and that's why I'm presented everything I have access to. Let's look at the other options. Favorites. I can add a display to favorites by clicking on the star icon here. Now, when I look at favorites, the display is there. I can move displays in and out of favorites by simply adding or removing the star. My displays. These are the displays that I personally have created. Recent. These are displays that were created within the last 7 days, either by myself or my colleagues.
Administrators can do a few extra things, like
checking this box here to also see private displays, and creating folders to store displays. For example, this folder is for our Pi process book displays. I can create a new folder by clicking on this icon here and giving it a name. I can always go back to the settings for the folder by selecting it and clicking here. Here, I can change its name and permission settings.
There are two ways to add a display to a folder.
One way is within the display itself, selecting Save As. The other way is by hovering the mouse pointer over the display and clicking here. I can then click Move and select a folder. I can also delete the folder by clicking here.
Wait, what about my displays?
No worries. This warning message lets me know my displays will be moved to the home level. If I'm looking for a specific display, I can use the search field here. Let's say that I know the display has the word tank somewhere in the title. Okay, I've found some. I can also add a wildcard, such as an asterisk. The asterisk can stand in for any number of characters, and that's why I now have this result as well. I can also search by the username of the creator of the display. For example, student02. If I don't know what a display might be called, who created it, or in what folder it may be in, I can filter by using keywords. This will show me the different keywords that have been used on our displays. Let's say, for example, in our case, we knew it was about tanks, and it was a solution to a problem. So even though the title didn't have tank in it, it looks like the technical lead had watched the Share Displays video and added in the appropriate keywords. You can watch it too. I've provided the link in the description.
But what if there's no display available that shows the information I need? Well, I'll just have to go and create a new display. And that's what we'll do in another video. Thanks for watching.